Dear friends, in this video, I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working with the React Native project. I was trying to build a React Native project using Expo. Before explaining the problem and its solution, I have a request. Please consider to subscribe my channel because by subscribing you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this, which may help you or others in the future. Now, let us get into the problem and its solution. I already told you that I was trying to a React Native project in Expo. So, let me run my command yarn create expo-app travel project. Enter. The command is executing. Let us wait. Look at here. We have an error here. Error React Native babel-preset 0.73.21. The engine node is incompatible with this module. Expected version greater than or equal to 18. Got 16.20.2. Error found incompatible module. Info visit https://yarnpkg.com docs CLI install for documentation about this command. Something went wrong installation. JavaScript dependencies. Check your yarn logs continuing to create the app. Error yarnpkg install exited with non-zero code 1. So, we have to fix this error. If you got the same error like this, the engine node is incompatible with this module. Expected version greater than or equal to 18, got 16.20.2. First, let us check what is the current node engine, the node version which I am using on my system or on this project. Let us check it by using nvm list. Look at here. When I execute the command nvm list, it will list all the node versions available on my system. I have installed 3 node versions. 20.1.0 version, 18.16.0 version, 16.20.2 version. Currently using 64-bit executable. Currently this version is using. So this node version 16.20.2 is incompatible with React Native babel-preset. So what they are suggesting? We have to use a node version which is equal to 18 or greater than 18. Currently 16.20.2 is using. That is correct. Because when we check here, this 16.20.2 is currently using. So let us switch to this 18.16.0. In order to switch to another version of node, we have to use the command nvm use 18.16.0. Enter. Now using node version 18.16.0 64-bit. Now let us check whether the problem is still existing or not. Let me delete this project, move to recycle bin, delete permanently. Now let me clear the console. Let me execute the previous command again. Command is executing. Let us wait. Yes, your project is ready. That means we successfully initiated a React Native project using Expo on my system. We fixed that error, that incompatible error of Node engine with React Native Babel preset module. Thank you.